In the past 50 years, CRS has become a household name in the shipbuilding industry. CRS connects specialists, develops state-of-the-art knowledge, and provides practical tools for its members. The people of CRS meet each other regularly, like here in Madrid in March 2019. Who are they? What brings them here? And what does CRS mean to them?
My name is Jesus Valle.
I'm Dr. Malcolm Robb.
Hi, my name is Tommy Baconheimer.
My name is Eduardo Minguito.
Hi, my name is Eric Thornhill.
I'm Andrea Mikelic.
I'm Federica Valdenazzi.
I'm involved in the RW++ working group. RW is about hydrogen in waves.
The favourite working group so far has been CRISM, which has been of great interest in that we've had 2 vessels sailing around the world, recording the structural information, propulsion information and the behaviour of the platform.
Propagate is about the propeller optimization with genetic algorithms.
SlamFlow is a research project looking into the physical flow dynamics that happen just before and during a SLAM event.
We are involved in a speed-to-design project. We are making some tests. We did PIV measurements and we are doing some resistance and self-propulsion tests.
I was mostly involved in CKP-related working groups, but in the past few years I've been working a lot on propellers in my company, especially related to hydroacoustics.
We appreciate CRS very much because it provides us with relevant projects of defined and precise interest in the maritime sector.
CRS is important for SEIPAR because we have the opportunity to share knowledge, we are sharing relationships, and we are sharing many things.
It's very important that we do this together because I think it's a beautiful platform to share knowledge and to discuss a lot of very specific details, but also the physics of the elements we are studying.
To be able to come together in CRS and with the experts from different organizations, it's almost essential to our research program to be able to have this kind of collaborative effort.
We members in CRS belong to sometimes competing companies, but people try to cooperate, which is well unusual in a way because outside CRS we are competitors and there is really a common will to do well together.
Do networking and learn people, and that is, I think, the most important thing in CRS. And the second important aspect for us is the practical tools, what we are using in our daily work. So networking and tools.
Work in collaboration, work together. Also the bureaucracy. CRS has not bureaucracy at all.
I think it's a well-managed organization. There is a little bureaucracy, and so money is spent mostly for the technical stuff, which is good.
So it's very good to have all these opinions and point of view together to really learn and make sure we are doing things right.
It is even more important now that we are a little short of people and we are contracting young people, and it's a very good place to let them learn without commercial relations. So it's a big opportunity for us. I think that the most important thing in CRS is relationship.
You really develop good, strong relationships with the other scientists and engineers and technical people. Very valuable.
We have a lot of experienced people around, so for me, it's for my own personal growth as a naval architect and as a professional, it's very valuable.
I like very much the collaboration feeling inside CRS. I like very much to join colleagues for many other companies. I like very much to the discussion of specialists on hydrodynamics.
I really like it. It probably shows. And because it's always been for me a really good occasion for personal development, because I always found a friendly atmosphere where I could discuss technical items with colleagues.
You actually gain a huge amount of information from the people that attend the working groups. All companies, although we're in competition within the industry, we're all very honest and as forthright as we can be for looking to solve the problems.
The atmosphere of the CRS is positive all the time because it's a very nice atmosphere. People discuss freely.
And friendly doesn't mean that there is no criticism or no hot discussions, but it's very honest, which is what I like, and that really helps me to be a better specialist.
You can call them up when you have a different problem that you're working on that's not related to CRS. You have those connections that you can call and contact. So I find that another sort of intangible benefit of the CRS program.
I like very much to sit down and to have a cup of coffee and a beer with colleagues that I see each year 2 or 3 times. It's important, really. It's very important for us.
I think the model as it exists now works very well, and I actually wouldn't change very much going forward into the future. I think the model of how the research projects are chosen and then executed has worked very well, and I hope would continue to work very well.
I think some of the good features should be kept, but certainly we must look forward and also try to tackle other topics beyond the traditional topics for naval architects.
I remember the time when the CRS was only formed by 6 or 10 companies. Now we are 23.
If the family increase, I think it's better for everybody. If we have more people working and we understand each other, I think that is very good for everybody, not only for the new members.
While the future remains uncertain, CRS members and its specialists are ready for new challenges. Let's find out together how we can make ships cleaner, smarter, and safer.